All right, this is part two to a video I made a couple of days ago, actually yesterday. It's entitled "The Skil Tower Light Helped Me Install a Sprinkler." So they had the fire marshal come out and they looked at it, and he liked, he liked how everything looked. But he said I needed a 90-degree elbow. That's what it costs. So let me get this right here and go and install that. And then, because you said this is something I've never done before, so I didn't know it needed to be pointing down. So I'm gonna go and install this, and pay for it, and install it, and make a video. And so I'll see you on the next clip. All right, this is, like I said, this is part two of the sprinkler system installation. So they had the fire marshal come out and look at this. So I'm about to take this off and put come over here and get shoot. Yeah, open that up. My air cap tool bag. Check that out. Okay. So I gotta put this on. I'm gonna take this off and take that off right there and put that guy on so that it'll be pointing down. So we gotta go over here. And here's the Skil Tower light. I'm the only person that's posted videos of this tower light being used in an actual job. But my disappointment is my videos kind of do low views, but you constantly show that you're actually a real person who use the tools. But I guess that's something I got to work on. So I'm going to turn this off right here. And I'm going to go up there. Okay, that's tight. I would open it up here, but we got all this stuff down here. So, okay, I'm going to stop the video here and go check, make sure the water's not running up there. Then take this off. All right. Okay, now I'm getting ready to remove this. We got the Irwin slip joint pliers here, and we got the Harbor Freight Pittsburgh 10-inch adjustable wrench. So now I know water's gonna come out when I hope it ain't too bad. Okay, it's dripping a little bit. Hope it don't squirt out too bad. Okay, wasn't too bad. Guess maybe it's kind of good because this is a daycare, and I heard them flushing the toilet and stuff, so they relieve some pressure down here. Well, maybe not. I guess not. Okay, stop it here. All right, this is the part number for the 90-degree elbow, and this is what I needed here. I need that to screw in there, and I need this to screw in here. So I'm going to get some of this Blue Monster, and we're going to wrap it around. Threads here, so you're getting that, okay. Okay. And put some more on here. Okay, there we go. Stop it here and set up for the installation. All right, and getting ready to install the 90-degree elbow right here, 90-degree. Okay, there you go. Okay. Come over here with it. I should have brought two. Shoot, I broke my clip. No, I didn't. Okay. Okay. Okay, now. Okay, and okay. Yeah, these are some good adjustable pliers. Pittsburgh. Going the right way? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to put this on here. Okay. Whew. Okay. Stop it here. Okay, okay. It's a little crooked. Let me open this up again. Like that. Why can't I get it like that? It really don't matter if it's a little crooked, but okay. Now I'm getting ready to turn on the water, and hopefully we don't have any leaks. All right. Okay, the water valve is fully open. So let's see if I got any leaks. Okay, everything's looking good. Okay, I'm gonna watch it for a little bit, a couple of minutes, and see if any leaks develop on there. All right. Yeah, if there's no leaks. You say this fire marshal just want to have it.
Yep, he wanted it hanging down. Yep.
Okay, because yeah, straight wasn't that good, was it? Well, it still would work. It work either way though.
Right, either way.
No,
right.
I don't think it's gonna stop the building from burning down.
Right. Exactly. I guess he probably just wants something done. That's all.
Okay. Well.
Because I've been here for 8 years and they never told me I needed one.
Oh, okay.
And he was the first one to come and say I needed it.
Well, you got some people that go completely by the book.
Right.
You know, because this you catch a fire down here. I don't think this is gonna. It might help it a little bit, but if you get too big, it's just gonna go ahead and go.
Exactly.
You know? So yeah, we got no leaks right here. No leaks, and everything's the fire marshal. Gotta get the stamp of approval from the fire marshal. And then, but I got a chance to, you know, make a good video out of this. I never done nothing like this before.
But that's good that you was able to do it.
Yeah.
So what you do, just had to YouTube it?
Yeah, I'm going to post it in a little bit.
Okay,
So this is the end of it. So it's no leaks. So make sure there's no leaks there.
Okay.
So everything's looking good. So,
Okay.
all right.